Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing great. Yeah, so it is another brand new day here. So I'm set to go and lose this my hair. Look at the hair. So my baby did not go to school today, so I want to carry her to the place I'll be losing my hair. So say, let me carry you guys along. Go. We're set to go. Yeah, we're set to go. I know what I say. I say hi. Say hi. Let's go. Woo. Wait, smiling. Why smiling, smiling? Why smile? Woo. Why smiling? Hmm? What do you say? Hmm. Is that on talk? Eh? Moto. Ah, so guys, look at goats. Do you like goats? Goat is feeding on the grass. I say grass. Mama say, you see goats. It's feeding. So guys, I went to the place I'm making my hair. I want to use the hair. So the woman is not in the shop. So right now, I've not been to her house, but I say, let me just a bit check her in her apartment to see if she's around so that Mom Yayo! Hey, Wahala. I think it should be this side. I think. Hey guys, so don't mind my face. So, like I told you guys before that I was going to I was going to lose my hair. So I went to the place that I normally make hair. So the woman wasn't around. So somebody now directed me to her place that I should go and check her there. Maybe she has not come out. So I went to her place. I knocked. I called her. No response. Okay. So I waited for her for like 2 hours. I didn't see her. I heard my son. He's back. So they're back with my girl. So mama is sleeping now. As my kids are back, I'll ask them because I know they are going to pass the woman's shop. So I'll ask them if the woman is there. If the woman is there, so I'll start going now because I really need to lose this hair. The hair is looking unkept and I'm going out tomorrow. I don't want to carry this hair. So I'll just manage. I am tired. Like, guys, I'm tired. The tiredness is tiring now, but God will help. So that is it. Once they come back, I'll ask them if the woman is around. If the woman is around, I'll quickly go and take off this hair. Okay. Then any updates, I'm going to let you guys know. Okay. Huh? Yeah, no smell it. No smell it. No sir, I know they come out now. I know they come out. Huh? So if you get money, you get after you come to us before and after. Hey guys, good afternoon from here. How you guys doing? So I finally lose the hair. Okay, it's another day anyway. So today I went out. Yeah, I wanted to carry you guys along in the morning when I was going, but the tiredness, is something else. So now I'm back. I said, let me just do this part of the video. When I was going out, I left Mama with his daddy at home because daddy did not go out today. So I left Mama with daddy at home. So now that I'm back, Mama is still sleeping inside. So right now I want to prepare soup. I want to prepare a soup, a foriro. So I'm not going to record it like recording full cooking video. I'm not going to record it like record full cooking video. I don't have that strength because it's going to waste time. I don't have that strength. So what I will do now is I'm going to, I will just be showing you people small, 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 small. So everything I will do will be in this video, not separate video, okay? So I said, let me just do this intro now that I'm still wearing the clothes I came back with. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video, my next clip. Guys, how you guys doing? Yeah, like I told you that I'm about to cook. So now I'm done cooking, okay? Oh, guys, I wish I carry you guys along. This soup tastes so yummy. I wish I carry you guys along, but no strength to do the recording and all that. So, and even I'm doing recording, I don't think I would have been done by now. But thank God, I'm done. I'm through. So let me show you guys the outcome, okay? Look at that. Honestly, this camera may not do justice to this soup. But when you taste this soup, oh, just check out my mukbang video on this. That is when you will see how this soup looks like. This soup tastes so yummy. Alright, guys. Yeah, look at that. Are you seeing it? Whoa! Wow, let me just show you. Ooh, God. Ooh. Can you see that? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm heading to my son's school. Today is their school open day. So that is where I'm going now. Yeah. So I said let me carry you guys along. How you guys doing? Hope you are doing great. This sun is shining, yeah. Good afternoon. Morning, Jerry. But it's not that much. Yeah. Yeah. So very close to the place. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, to my clip, to this clip, to whatever. Don't mind me now. Don't mind me. So today is the next day after I went to my son's school. Okay, so everything ended well. Yeah, when I was coming back, the sun was much, and I was rushing home because daddy was with mama at home. So I was rushing home because daddy went out that yesterday. So I had to rush home so that I can stay with mama so that daddy will be able to go out. So I couldn't do any recording. And since that yesterday that I came back, I was very tired. I just decided to postpone this video to today, okay? Yeah, so I'm back. Everything went successful. So I just want to officially end this video. If you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Lucy Choma, a mom of two living in Nigeria, Lagos State. Okay, so consider subscribing. Mommy. This is my son. Okay, consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to like. Daddy, remove your hand. Don't forget to like. Okay, you can as well share my video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. What do you have to tell them? Please stop. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.